First, let's take a moment for a brief overview of the controls on your stove. There are two operating modes: stove temperature mode and room temperature mode. Stove temperature mode allows you to set the burn rate so the stove remains at one constant output, regardless of the room or outside air temperatures. This mode is most convenient when your main desire is to know exactly when the hopper needs to be refilled. Room temperature mode uses a sensor to monitor the air temperature in the room. Based on your desired setting, the stove will automatically adjust its burn rate to maintain a constant comfort level within 1 degree of your set temperature. The optimal distance for the room sensor is up to 20 feet away from the stove and 5 feet above the floor. With either operating mode, you can choose to light your stove automatically or manually. Auto lights your fire using the igniter located in the burn pot. Used in conjunction with room temperature mode, it will allow the stove to shut off and relight automatically based on temperature demand. In manual mode, you need to use a gel or wax starter on the pellets to light the fire. The feed adjuster allows you to limit the amount of pellets being fed to the burn pot, therefore also affecting heat output. For example, number 3 setting will give up to a 30-second feed cycle. Number 6 setting will give up to a 60-second feed cycle if needed. The feed adjuster can also be thought of as a fuel quality adjustment setting. Anytime you want to verify the operation of the combustion blower, distribution blower, and feed motor, make sure the hopper, view door, and ash pan doors are closed. Next, simply turn the feed adjuster knob to test. This will run the blowers and feed motor for 1 minute. Use the temperature dial to choose your desired room temperature if you're in room temp mode, or an output rate from 1 to 7 if you're in stove temp mode. The L to H range in each mode is the variable speed of the distribution blower, which may vary depending on the temperature of the stove. Before lighting your pellet stove, the installer should have made all preliminary adjustments, conducted a draft test, and checked that all seams and joints in the venting system components have been properly sealed. Make sure you have a surge protector and a 120-volt 60 Hz grounded outlet available.